Assalamu alaikum, my children, and a very good morning. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start our new chapter that is present on your screen, factors and multiples. And in this chapter, you have the first topic, rules of divisibility. Now, what is this rule of divisibility? We are going to find out in this video. In this video, you are going to learn how you are going to identify the rules of divisibility for 2, 3, 5, and 10. Then use divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, and 10 numbers up to 5 digits. Before moving towards your main topic, I want to ask a question from you. There is a number present on your screen, 1668. My question is, what will be your divisor for finding the quotient for this number? But you have to give me the answer very quickly without using your paper and pencil. How you are going to answer and what will be your number from which you are going to divide this 4-digit number? I'll give you 4 choices. Is it 2, 3, 5, or 10? You have to be very quick, but you are not allowed to use any paper or pencil. Done? Okay, let's find out what is your answer. We are going to use some of the rules of divisibility which makes your problem very easy. For example, you don't have to do the long division, you don't have to use your paper and pencil. Just quickly in your mind, you will get to know the answer. Over here, there are 4 basic rules which you have to follow for 2, 3, 5, and 10. In this regard, your rule number 1 is any number with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8 at the unit place is divisible by 2, or you can say all even numbers are divisible by 2. I have given you the number 1668. Over here, 1668 1668 is having 8 in the unit place. So yes, it is divisible by 2. And you can also notice that it's an even number because it is ending on 8. So the quotient for this will be 834. So yes, this 4-digit number is divisible by 2. Our next rule over here is rule number 2 is for 3. If the digits of any number add up, that means you have to add all the given digits over there to number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Let me explain you more. For example, I have given you the number 1668. What you are going to do first, you have to add all these digits together as it is explained in the rule. After addition, 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8, I got the answer 21. You know it very well that 21 is easily divisible by 3. Your quotient will be 7. So yes, 1668 is divisible by 3 also. Your rule number 3 is for 5. Any number with 0 or 5 at the unit place. And you know the table of 5 also, that the product of 5 mostly ends on 0 and 5. So the numbers which are ending, which are having unit place 5 or 0 is divisible by 5. The example which I have given you in the initially, it was not ending on 8. So 1668 does not have 0 or 5 in the unit place, so it is not divisible by 5. But let me give you one more example over here. 2450 ends on 0. So yes, it is divisible by 5. Your quotient will be 490. That means 5 490s are 2450. Your last rule, rule number 4, is for 10. Any number with 0 at the unit place is divisible by 10. It's very simple. You know the table of 10. Mostly the product in the table of 10 are ending on 0. So obviously any number with 0 at the unit place is divisible by 10. The example which I have given you was not ending on 0, so it is not divisible by 10. But the example 9,000 is ending on 0. So it is divisible by 10. When we are going to divide 9,000 with 10, we will get the quotient 900. Now, test of divisibility. After learning the four basic rules for the for four basic numbers 2, 3, 5, and 10, there is a small test of divisibility. In this test, you are going to quickly find out that the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 5, or 10 or not. Again, you are not supposed to use any of the paper and pencil, and in your mind, you have to quickly find out the answer. Over here, the first number is 138, and you have to find out whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Remember your rule that for divisibility of 2, it should add. That means the unit place must have an even number. Yes, it is. It is having 8 in the units place, so it is divisible by 2, and you will get the answer 69. So yes, we can say that 138 is divisible by 2. Next is the divisibility test for 3. I have given you a number over here, 20,589, and you have to quickly tell me whether it is divisible by 3 or not. What you are going to do, you have to add all these digits together. 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9. Your answer is coming 24, and 24 is divisible by 3. Your quotient is 8. So yes, we can say that 20,509 is divisible by 3. Now, children, my question is why I am giving you these rules of divisibility, although you have done your multiplication and long division as well. So how it is useful for you? By the way, it is very useful for you. How? You don't have to do long division. That means quickly you can find out the answer. And the second most important thing over here is we use these tests to find out the factors that make up a number. It will be very useful in your upcoming topics where you are going to deal with the factors. Over here, these two rules, these 2 points are very useful to understand that why I am teaching you the rules of divisibility. In your countdown, page number 20 and 21, you must have to read those 2 pages, because on those pages, yeah, they have explained each and every rule with the examples. Go through those examples and please do the quiz and assessment which is present after this video. Best of luck and get ready for your new topics in your coming lectures. Thank you.